Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you some new LA Colors products. It's been a while since I found any kind of LA Colors products that I've been super excited for, and there is palettes, mascaras, and lipsticks, and I do plan on doing an additional review on all these products, so I just kind of want to do the tutorial and share some first thoughts on them, and then we'll do an in-depth review, a DollarTree review later on. So I'm using the WetnWild eyeshadow primer and the AOA Studio Perfect setting powder to catch fallout, and I don't have an LA Colors primer anymore, otherwise I would use that. And I'm using the LA Colors Make Them Melt Honey Lavender eyeshadow palette. Look at this beautiful, very feminine color story. So I'm taking a blending brush with the first kind of mauve shade in the palette there, and I am just going to be blending that in the crease, and it does apply a bit darker than what it appears to be in the pan, and I am going to use this blending brush and dip in a few different times to build it up. One of the main things though, I really hate how small the pans are, because like it's hard to get your brush completely in there and stuff, but overall perfect for travel. It's nice and compact. I'm using the dark berry toned purpley shade in the palette, or well, more like a cranberry shade actually I should say, and I'm using that on a shader brush, and this is a dual-ended brush, so that's why I'm using this one in the outer corner, and I'm going to be using that against the orbital bone as well, not really going much higher than the orbital bone, and applying that in the outer corner. And this does take some building up, but if I had a secondary base and stuff, like it would apply much bolder. And I am actually really impressed with these palettes because I had no intentions of picking them up at all. And then when I seen them in the store, there was 3 of them. There was a chocolate one, honey, lavender, and a strawberry one. So yeah, look how cute. Look how cute. Now the golden shade there, I'm picking that up on a flat shader brush, and I'm going to spritz my brush. You want to do this after you pick up the product because you'll ruin your eyeshadow, you'll get hard pan, and you don't want to do that. So this is foiling the eyeshadow. This is going to appear more brighter, more vibrant, and I'm just applying that to the lid. And basically I've applied all the shades now, and we're going to start blending soon. I'm applying that in the inner corner as well. I'm going to buff down all the edges and build the shadows up once again. Like I said, like blending does take away some of your shadow, and also with these LA Colors, they build really nicely, but they also will, you know, lack in pigmentation once you start building and stuff. So I'll always go back and like build them back up. And in the shade, I'm just using the lightest shade to highlight with, and luckily it's a matte. And the color story though, like I said, it's very beautiful in this palette. There's not a lot of fallout with these as well. They build nicely, they are pigmented, and I'm really impressed with how well they blend together. Very seamless. And there's pretty much the finished eye look. You'll see me go through and like be building up and doing some more blending, but I do this with literally every look that I do. It's not just with LA Colors. So I am impressed though. I am impressed with these little palettes. And I'm wiping away the fallout, and I'm gonna go back in with my sponge and like fix my outer corner there. My allergies have been bad and my eyes have been watering. It's so annoying. But that's an LA Colors purple pencil. It doesn't have a name or anything. I got it from like a holiday set, and I'm going to apply this to the lower lash line and the inner rim there, and just really put that in there. LA Colors Eye Marker to line the upper rim with, and I'm doing a very thin line of this. I tried to use as many LA Colors products in this video as possible. I'm using the LA Colors Nude Glam, or Glam Nude mascara primer, and I think at first, yes, it's working well. There's a lot of product coming off on the brush. The bristles on the brush aren't very long. I let that set for a few seconds, and now I'm going to apply the volumizing mascara from that same new line on top of it, and I do think that it is okay. It did give me some flaking and not a lot of separation, and also when I tried to remove it, because I got it on my eyeshadow, it would not remove, so I was really kind of bummed about that. Now these are the Nude Glam lipsticks, and they say they like apply opaque in one go, and that is pretty true statement. Very beautiful lipstick. It reminds me of my Nude Lust from Maybelline. I like it a lot. This was the one in Oh Teddy that I'm wearing, and you'll see the mascara on my eye look, and yeah, I'm disappointed in that because it just would not remove, and normally if you wait until your mascara dries, it will remove no problem. So we'll get into a further in-depth review later on, but I thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and check the description box for additional links as well as a product list, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.